Is this thing on? Hello? The name is Mr. Captain, but... Squirt! 1 second, please. Squirt, what are you doing? Of course I can see you're on the potty, but we're filming a film. For our friends, for our new friends. And here you are using the potty. Aw, Squirt! Now where was I? Oh, there we are. Howdy, friends. I am so sorry about that. Squirt gone and fallen in the toilet again. But I went ahead and put him around my neck for safekeeping. Squirt, you ain't gonna be falling in that toilet anymore. That's for sure. Well, my name is Mr. Captain Bubbles, master of cleaning trouble. I'm also the world's first cleaning superhero. Well, maybe not yet, but I'm working on it. And this here is Squirt. You've already gone and met him. He is my best friend in cleaning compadre extraordinaire. Say hi, Squirt. Squirt! What are you doing? I am so sorry about that, friends. Now, the main reason that we're here, Squirt and I, is we were hoping you might join us as we battle the evil forces of dust and grime in what may be the greatest how-to series adventure ever told. Subscribe to our channel and let us be the helping hand you need for all your cleaning dreams.